All right, end of day, Friday the 29th. Okay, so that's our progress today. Got our new angle posts in for the cover, dirt mounted. Just kidding, guys. Haha. So I had to bounce for a couple hours today, but we still got a lot done. We got the ledger mounted. We have everything tacked to the house. There's no joist hangers. Somebody didn't have the proper size joist hangers with him, so I'll bring those on Monday. And we still have to lock everything down to the beams. Everything's loose. Okay, so but everything's level, plain. We have the beams are G-taped, and the joists are ready to be anchored down. Then once we get that done, we'll put in some mid-span, or not mid-span, mid-beam, over-beam pressure blocking here and here. And then we'll be ready to start laying down some deck. What do you think of that?
Stay level.
Stay level, my friend. Oh, yeah. Who's got one of these?
Little stable.
All right, we're giving one away. All you got to do is tag Stabila and say hashtag drdecks Stabila challenge. And you can enter win a keychain. All right, guys. Enjoy your weekend. Have a good one. Over and out.